I mean, yeah, all we're doing is fishing right now. Okay, so I forgot to record like 50 different times that we were out fishing. This isn't my neighborhood, this is somebody else's neighborhood. Well, my friend that's standing over here. He's gonna act all nonchalant and mysterious. Yeah, he's another YouTuber.
Wow.
I'm gonna tag him. But here's where we're fishing.
Tag me.
Yeah, I'm gonna tag you.
Tag me now.
Yeah, I can't tag him yet. Anyway, by the time you see this finished, it'll be like a week from now. So, I'm gonna record some stuff of us fishing and hope it turns out well. Give me a second to get the setup. Yeah, we're not gonna catch anything. I think it's just to record, you know? I'm gonna take this sweater off.
I just got my face in the camera.
It's fine. I'll edit it out. You know, you can blur using YouTube Studio, right?
So do it.
I'm gonna trim and cut all this anyway, so they're not gonna see it.
Because on my YouTube channel, I haven't put my face on it anyway.
Yeah, probably had it. What do you mean? Like, how are bait casters hard to use?
Here we go.
You ready?
6-inch glide bait from Academy Sport.
You bought it when?
When-
Not cast over my
When
line.
I bought this rod and the reel on that thing. Oh. This is so big, bruh. Why are you holding it like that? You wanna see the best in the fucking screen, bruh? You wanna see the best thing ever? The best cast ever, bruh? Watch this. And how you're gonna find a way to fish. I got this, but you can't cast harder.
I mean, if I put more weights onto my line.
If you put more weight, that's crazy, bro.
Oh my god, it's like falling out of my control. Really? I do not fish.
Give me a minute, man. I'm over here in pajamas and you're in shorts and...
Dude, 'cause it's hot, dude.
No, it's not.
It's hot.
It's cold.
I mean, 'cause you're not standing in the sunshine.
I found your shades.
Dude, I look better in those.
No. Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Fantastic.
You can borrow one, but I'm gonna need them back.
I might.
There's actually no chance in that.
What?
Have you ever caught anything here?
No.
Then why are we fishing here? I mean,
I
yeah,
was low-key gonna stay in bed and do nothing.
except wait for the Super Bowl.
Yeah, we're leaving at 5.
What is this used for?
What?
What is this?
What do you mean?
What is it used for? Like, what is it used to catch? Bass, probably. Bass!
Bass?
Bass!
What the?
Bass! We're not catching a guitar
I'm throwing
here.
this at you. Bro, did you say bass?
I'm not fishing for a guitar, bro.
Bro. You must get a really big, really big lure if you want to catch a bass.
You gotta get one with a music note attached to it.
You're the one who said that?
Why does your rod bend when you haven't caught anything?
Because it's a smaller rod. Yours is used for saltwater.
Yeah, this is freshwater, but you can still fish with it.
Oh, no shit. What are you doing right now? Fishing?
Alright, yeah, that's it for this one.